Hey guys! In this video, I will show you how to fix the Configure Your Connection error in the Google Play Games app. Alright, let's begin. The connection in Google Play Games is automatic, so you do not need to configure it manually. If you are seeing the Configure Your Connection error, first make sure your Wi-Fi or mobile data connection is stable. Next, open Settings, scroll all the way down, and tap on Apps. Search for Google Play Games and open it. Scroll down, tap Storage, and select Clear Cache followed by Clear Data. Then confirm the deletion. Go back, tap Force Stop, and close the settings. After that, open the Play Store, search for Google Play Games, and make sure it is updated to the latest version. If an update is available, install it. Once the update is complete, restart your phone and open Google Play Games again. That's it for this video. Thanks.